Is the S&P 500 about to explode? We're going to break down the charts in this video and talk about that today, guys. And we'll go over the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell, maybe some stocks at the end of the video. So if y'all find value, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And guys, don't forget to follow me on X at Stocks Talk Stocks. And you might as well get your free stocks for Moo. The clock's ticking, guys. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moo. We'll talk more about that later. And with that being said, guys, I would give you a cheers, but I don't have my water or my coffee today. But either way, with that being said, guys, let's dive into the video. So you all know at this point that the stock market has been on a rampage. We're talking SPY's up from around, where was it, 410, 415 back in the end of October, early November. Now it's at what, 460? So it's up about 50 points in the span of a month, which I believe, I don't know the exact statistic on this, but I believe this is one of the best months that we've had in years. I'm not sure in how long. I'm sure that stat is out there somewhere, but man, 12% move for SPY in just a matter of a month, a little bit over a month, but 30, 35 days pretty much, right in that month territory there. And triple Q in the same time period. Let's pull it up and see here, guys. This was at about 340 about a month ago, a little over a month ago, but still about a month ago. Now it's at, where's it at? 390. So it's up 14 to 15% in just over a month, which is unfreaking believable. So we're talking a massive move in the past month, which already has triple Q at a fresh high here on the 4-hour chart, and it's actually pretty close to all-time highs, and SPY's also right there as well. Let's actually break down SPY's chart a little bit more, then we'll look at triple Q, guys, and see what's going on with the Dow, the Russell, and the other ones as well. So SPY ended up going up 0.6% this past trading day on Friday, and it went up about $2.70. And notice how we're moving up even more in the aftermarket. You guys can see we hit 459.90, and we're about 10 cents away, in other words, from the highs from back in July, August, right? Let me pull the 4-hour up again and see. Yeah, we hit 460 back in early August. We're pretty much right there, guys. We're pretty much right there. So we're about to test, well, we are testing it right now, this high from a couple of months ago, which by the looks of the momentum, that resistance stands no chance. But you never know. We might get a hardcore rejection there and we fill the gap down to 440, 445, which could put us right by the 180 SMA. Maybe that happens. That's possible. But right now, it looks like we're breaking out. We had a 0.6% green day on Friday. It's up even more after the bell. So for the next trading day here and for the next couple of days, I'm going to be watching and looking to see if we do take that 460.26 level out. Do we start pushing past there? Because at that point, we could be going towards that all-time high, which you all can see here is not too far away. Again, like I said earlier in the video, SPY's ran up about $50 in the span of a month. Now we're about $20 away from all-time high. So is it crazy to say that it could run another $20? No, it's not. Honestly, it's not. Of course, it's not guaranteed, but it's not out of the ordinary here. Again, considering that it's ran up $50 in the past month alone. So for me, guys, that's the next main level that I'm looking at here. And this is a cup and handle, clear as day. You guys see that? We have the cup right here, handle on the 3-year chart on SPY. So if we do break out of that 462 level, I'm going to put my alert at 462, a little bit above that 460 mark. So let's do that now. 462 mark is that we're above. If we break out of there, guys, no doubt in my mind, momentum will take us probably towards 480. It's not guaranteed, but I feel like that could be coming around the corner here. So watch out for SPY on the 3-year chart, and triple Q, if I pull that up, let's see, on the 3-year chart is pretty much the same, guys. The only difference is this has taken out the highs from August already, where SPY is lagging a bit behind it. You guys notice how SPY is not quite yet above the highs from August, July? Well, triple Q is, and this is actually right near all-time highs now, about $18, $19 away, and we have a cup and handle. And if this runs another 3 to 4%, we're right at all-time highs, and it's already up, like I said, about 14-15% from the beginning of November, which is unbelievable. So what's another 3 to 4%? It's really nothing at the end of the day. So for the next couple of forget the next couple of days, guys. For the next couple of weeks, as we're wrapping up the year here in 2023, which it's still freaking nuts how 2023 went like that. It seems like every year goes like that, right, guys? 2023 went by fast. It's wrapping up. So for the next couple of weeks here, I'm going to be watching to see what Triple Q does between 390 to 408. Do we push the all-time highs? Do we get a Santa Claus rally, which takes us to new all-time highs or maybe towards the all-time highs? That's kind of what I'm watching for across the board here on Triple Q and on SPY, again, which this is not quite yet above the highs from August. It's probably, I don't want to say probably even, we don't know, but I'm looking to see if it breaks above that 462 level, and maybe we get that Santa Claus rally, 475, 480, maybe we go to all-time highs for all we know, right, guys? Which, like I mentioned in a previous video, the stock market has not hit all-time highs in about 2 years. The all-time high that we hit here was back in the beginning of 2022, or was it late 2021? Either way, it was in that time period right there, and we're coming on 2024 now. So this was early 2022, I believe. We hit that all-time high on SPY, and that's going to be 2 years. It's pretty much 2 years ago from now. So, I mean, look, do we go to all-time highs? Do we, hover around here a little bit, then maybe see a dump off in January? Who the heck knows? We'll see. We'll cover it. But overall, over the next couple of weeks, I'm watching these two very, very closely. And the Dow Jones, guys, believe it or not, could be the one that hits all-time highs first. I mean, this thing is completely breaking out. It's at multi-month highs. I think it's at a 52-week high as of last week, because last week and the past couple of weeks have been just a straight line up for the Dow Jones. You guys can see now we're at 36,260, and the all-time high, I think, is 36,900. Is it 36,900? Yeah, 36,950, which we hit in the beginning of 2022. So I have a feeling, by the looks of it, man, all-time highs could be right around the corner, especially on the Dow. We could even hit that this week for all we know by the looks of the bullish momentum here in the, on the Dow Jones. I mean, these stocks in the Dow have been going ballistic, which maybe I'll make another video talking about the best performers in the Dow right now as of the past couple of weeks. Maybe that'll be a good video. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm actually interested. Would you watch that video? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, Dow's been crushing it. Everything's been on fire, no doubt about it. And it looks like the Russell's also breaking out. Let me pull this up and show you guys. Maybe not so much on the 3-year chart. The 3-year chart still looks like we're consolidating. We're chopping around here. We have to wait for an overall breakout, which who the heck knows when we'll get that. But if we pull up, let's say this 4-hour chart, now you're going to see, wait a second, we have an inverse head and shoulders on the Russell. We're back over the moving averages. We're nicely off the lows, which we hit about a month ago, or probably over that. Yeah, about a month and a couple days ago. So you guys can see this is making a sizable move. And who knows, man, with the small caps, they catch fire. You guys know how that goes. There could be more upside on the Russell, and some key levels moving forward. I'm looking at 1920 for sure, 1925. That was the high from, it looks like, the beginning of September. We hit 2,000 points in the end of July. That'd be another spot worth looking at here on the Russell. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Quick little video here breaking down the indexes, the the 4 big dogs. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe and follow me on X at Stocks Talk Stocks. And don't forget to get your free stocks from Moo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. Using that link down below, you get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000. And if you fund your account with at least $1,000 on top of those 5 stocks, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, each up to $2,000, guys. So get on it. Use that link down below. And with that being said, I'll catch you all in the next video.